Hey, what's up guys? So today we're gonna do a little DIY. The other day I was here doing the fender cut, and then I saw the S14 zenki wing and I test fitted it, and it actually fits mint like it was supposed to be, like OEM or whatever. You could buy it to fit. Fuck, I can't talk. Alright, so as you can see, we cut this screw and we're just trying to test fit. What are we trying to do, Timmy? You explain, man.
Alright, so what we're gonna do, right? So since this wing is a little longer than the Miata trunk, we cut these two screws out, the outside ones. We're using the inside ones. We're gonna drill holes into the trunk and bolt this in. Then we're gonna run self-tappers from the corner of the trunk into this, so it has two mounting points and we have no problem of it coming off. It's gonna be easy to mount on and easy to take off.
I'm putting it, boy.
This is my mod to your car, buddy.
Just to let you guys know, just real quick, so you guys just don't start blowing me up in the comments, we are doing this together as a team. So don't be saying he did everything, because we're doing it together. I don't want to see the comments. And I'm going to put in the description, because I know I'm going to get these comments, some bullshit that you guys be bringing up. But I'm basically doing the fender cut and the wing at the same time. We're trying to finish it before this Miata meet at 9. So that's why we're kind of like rushing this a little bit. So I mean, it's pretty simple. Screw, self-tapping screw inside the wing through the trunk, and then some brackets for it to stand up and not sag down the wing itself. Here, we don't want it falling. We want it actually, kind of up, functional. So at the end, I'll show you guys how it looks, but it looks pretty mint. Alright guys, so we put 2 holes on each side and we're test fitting it right now. There you go. We put in this piece out of metal, and that's what's gonna go between the wing and the trunk so it stands up. Alright guys, so we're basically self-tapping on both sides through this bracket. Let me get my phone down and show you guys real quick. We basically bent a piece of metal and put in between the screw, and that's what's lifting the wing up. And while he's working on that, I'm working on the DIY fender cut. Oh, bro, that looks sick. Damn, boys, it's like it was meant to be. Damn, boy, perfect body line, dude. Look at that. The body line, dude, it's fucking sick. You can see the bracket right there underneath, holding the wing up, not like sagging too much. So it is purple, and right now we're spray painting it black, so it looks a little better because the purple kind of throws you off. And then once we paint it black, it should be all set, ready to go.